All right, number 2, we've got the math test. So last video or a couple of videos ago, I took the full English test. So I think it's the form B04. I should have everything linked in the description. But yeah, same idea here again. I've got a watch on, so I printed it. That's another thing that's different. I printed it, obviously, writing on an iPad or figuring or doing like math, working out math problems is very, very, very annoying in my opinion. On an iPad with your finger, that is like the worst form of torture. So I'm doing it on paper. I've got answer sheet here. I'm going to put that on my left because I am on the left of this sheet. I've got my calculator, TI-84 Plus. I've got a Ticonderoga number 2. Got a watch. So I'm basically trying to simulate the whole environment. And if you want to, I suggest you do the same. But yeah, this would be taken immediately after your English test. You wouldn't have the luxury of waiting several days. But I am, I think, sufficiently exhausted mentally and physically. It's like 8:30 right now. I haven't taken a full math test probably since I actually took the full ACT, which was like a year ago. So this is gonna be, I think it'll be a little bit rough, but we'll do the best that we can. I don't know what else to say. Get everything all situated for yourself, and I'm just gonna do a lot of checking my answers. So we're gonna try and go a little bit faster in the beginning. So like the first 30 questions in the first 20 minutes. If you look at my timing video, if that's out before or after this, I'm gonna make a video about how to time all of them. But I'm gonna do the 20-20-20 thing that we talked about in there. Anyway, we're gonna try and go faster in the beginning and slower at the end because the end problems are usually a little bit harder. But yeah, I think I'll probably be brain dead by number 40. Hopefully not terrible. What else am I gonna? Oh yeah, if I get a lot of them wrong or any of them wrong, even at the end of this video, it's gonna be a continuous video for you guys because that's how it's uploaded. But for me, I'm gonna grade it after I take this. I'm gonna grade it, and then if I get any wrong, I'll just add on explanations for what I did wrong and how to fix them. So there's nothing left up to chance. I'm gonna take a quick drink and then we'll start. Okay. Watch is at the ready. Yeah, I'm just gonna be going off of this because I'm not screen recording. But if you're ready, I'll count down 3, 2, 1. Cool. I'll put a timer on the screen as well. So we've got an hour. Let's do this. X equals. Cool. So we've got, man, this is gonna be hard. 6 over here and 2 over here. So that's positive 3, and that is 2 over here and 2 over here. So bubble that. I'm not used to bubbling either. Aliko earns a regular pay of $14 per hour for up to 40 hours a week. For each hour over 40 hours per week, she earns 1.5 times her regular pay. How much does she earn in a week if she works 48 hours? 48 hours, so this would be 8 hours. She earns $14 an hour for up to 40 hours. For each hour over, she earns 1.5 times. So $14 an hour for 40 hours. 14 times 40, that is 560. And then now we add on the 21 times 8. 21 times 8. So that's $728, which is H. Alright, number 3, a water tank that initially contained 200 gallons of water is leaking at a constant rate of 4 gallons per minute. 4 minutes. For the amount of time that the tank has water, which the following functions models the number of gallons in the tank T minutes after the leaks. T minutes. Yeah, I think 200 minus 4T. Is that an option? Yeah, that's B. Cool. Moving on. Ooh, hopefully you can see this. I'm sorry about that. Which of the following is equivalent? Oh boy. So these just add the exponents, so we can get rid of that and that and that. If you can't see this, hopefully you have your own, because this is kind of grainy. If you were watching this, y to the third, y to the third. Okay, I think that's f. First term in a geometric sequence, -12. If it can be determined, what is the sixth term? A over 1 minus r. Oh wait, that's a sum. Probably doesn't help. It looks like you're multiplying by -2. So -12 is the first term. What? Well, yeah. To the 1 is the first term. So to the 2, no, times 2, sorry. Times -2 to the n. I think that's the formula. Because we plug in 1, wait, 0, n plus 1. Wait, plug in 1. No. Okay, it's n minus 1. If we plug in a 1 for n, we get -12. Plug in a 2. Cool. So now we plug in a 6. -2 to the 6th is 64. 64 times -12 is -100. Wait a minute. Sir. Okay, times 2, times 2. That's times 2, that's time. Am I doing something wrong here? Wait. I'm taking so long right now. Oh, 2 to the 5th. My bad. 2 to the 5th. I'm overcomplicating this extremely. Okay, 2 to the 5th, that would be a negative times negative is positive, so that would be d. -2 to the 5th times -12. -2 times negative, yeah, that'd be d. We went about a lot over that. Okay, how many minutes would it take a car to travel 120 miles at a constant speed of 100 or 50 miles per hour? So this would solve for how many hours? 50 miles per hour. Wait, 50 miles over 1 hour equals how many minutes would it take for a car to travel 120 miles in constant speed? 120 miles, okay. 3 miles. So how do we do this? How many minutes? 60 minutes. 1 hour. Why do I write 1 hour over 60 minutes? Okay, I think that'd be right. Possibly. Well, let's just see. So 50 miles an hour to get to 120 miles is 120 divided by 50. So that's 2.4 hours. Yeah, 2.4 hours, which divided by 2.4 hours is how many minutes? Yeah, I think you would multiply that by 60. I don't know how we got. Oh, wait, would you? Oh, my gosh. How many minutes would it take a car to travel 120 miles at 50 miles an hour? Sorry, this is taking a very long time. 120 divided by 50 is 2.4 hours. 2.4 hours. Sorry, I am brain dead right now. 2.4 hours. 2.4. Oh, you know what? We can just plug these in here. If we had that, 144 minutes. That is 2.4 hours. Okay, K is our answer. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Patrick and Ayako are painting a room in the city hall. They start with 6 gallons of paint. Here's one, actually, use 1/2 gallon. Use 1 3/4. How many oh, that's stupid. Okay, so 6 minus 2 is 4. So 3 3/4. It's B. If we have time, I'll check that. But the length of the hypotenuse of a right triangle is 50 inches, while the length of one of the legs is, okay, that's 30. Thank you. 30, 4, 5 triangles. That's the right dimension. Cool. Of the 450 parking spaces in the parking lot, 8% of those are reserved for handicap parking. Of those parking spaces not reserved for handicap parking, 18 are suitable for compact cars. Compact cars only. 18 cars. How many spaces that are not reserved for handicap parking? Okay, cool. So 8% of 450.08 times 450 minus 450. So that's 414 minus 8. 406 cars. That's not even enough. Oh wait, 18 cars. My bad. 396. Thank goodness they didn't have what I had as an option. You can't see my calculator. That's okay. I'm gonna put this over here. Yeah, sorry. This is really hard to do. And narrate. A gardener is planting 7 rows of trees in a triangular plot. 7 rows of trees in a. Why would you do that? First row contains 1 tree. 7 rows. What is this? Okay, so it's 1 tree, 3 trees, 5 trees, 7 trees, 9 trees, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows, 11 trees, 13. What does it mean by 2 more than the previous row? Okay. I assume I'm doing this right. Who cares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's probably a much faster way to do this, but 1 plus 2 plus 3. Oh, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. I can't see that. 49. Great. I think that's J. Hopefully it's J. Whatever. We are highly behind. Let A equal 3, B equal 5, blah, blah, blah. 3 over 25 plus 4 equals 103 25ths. Let's see. What is the least common denominator? Well, this is 3 and 7, 3 and 4 and 8. 12 and 21 is kind of weird. Actually, we could just check the answer options. 672 divided by 21. Cool. 672 divided by 12. Cool. 672 divided by 8. Cool. 252 divided by 21. Cool. Divided by 12. Oh. Okay, so it's J. The relationship between the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a polygon and the number of sides is 180 times 9 minus 2. How many sides? Okay. So that's 1440 equals 180 times n minus 2. And 140 divided by 180 is that, plus 2 is a decagon. Let us check our answer. Wait, 8 times 180. Cool. Keep her moving. Okay. The figure shown below, CG, is AE, and the rectangle has a length of 6 and a width of 4. The area is 2 times the area. Wait. Okay. EF. Okay, this A and call this one B. Okay, so area of that. Okay. B equals 2A. Great. What is the length of CG? CG. Cool. Oh, they give us the dimension. Oh, my bad. Okay, I thought they were talking about the big triangle. Okay, this is 24, and what is the length of? Okay, it's 24. So this is 48. 48. How do you get to 48? Those are congruent. So we have 4 plus x times 6 plus x equals 48. So that's 24 plus 10x plus x squared. So x squared plus 10x minus 24. So that's x minus 4 and x minus 6. So that's plus, my bad. Wait, what? 12 and 2, my bad. X plus 12 and x minus 2, right? Yeah. So that's 2 greater, so it's 6. Oh, that's 2. Okay, that's F. Probably would have been faster to guess and check that, but point A is located at 3, 8 on the standard XY. What are the coordinates of A prime? The image after the cross reflected across the y-axis. So that would just be -3, 8, which is C. I think so. -3, yeah. What is the sum of the two solutions to the equation? Assuming that's an x. Gosh dang, is that squared or cubed? I think that's squared. We're gonna hope it's squared. Great. I'm gonna graph it. X squared plus 3x minus 54. Zoom 6. We're graphing that. Hurry up and graph, please. Thank you. 0. Left bound. Hurry up, bro. Come on. I forgot how to do it. So it's, oh gosh. Well, that's how you do it. -8. I don't know. Is that right? Okay. -9. Okay. Second calc 0. Left bound. Left bound would be around 5. Right bound would be around whatever. 8. Great. Okay. 6. -9 plus 6 equals -3. So that is H. Taking too long here. The area of a certain square is 36 square inches with the perimeter of the square. Thank you. Keep those coming. I think, right? Okay, what on earth is this? Oh, you just... Okay, so it's 7 factorial over... I don't even care. So, quit that. 4 times 5, can you see this? 6 times... hopefully this is right. We can check it though, possibly. 4 times 5 times 6 times 7 times 8 times 9. Great. And then math. Is it that? It's probability. I didn't even type that. Okay. Okay. $112. Cool. All right. Calculator functions can be very helpful sometimes. What is 3% of that? Well, what is 0.03 times 5.13? Okay, so that's 1.539 times 10 to the 4th, or 153912340. 15,390, I think. A. Okay, I'll mark that to check it. Triangle below gives side lengths, blah blah blah. X is sine inverse. Wait, what? Oh, my bad. So tangent of 35 equals x over 10. So 10 tangent. Okay. Cool. Mr. Evans is going to buy new markers for students to use for a project. He will buy n packs of markers. Each will contain 40 markers. He will distribute the markers so that each of his 24 students. Okay. He will distribute them so that each of his 24 students will have the same number with none left. Okay. Is it that? So it has to be a whole number. So 40 times, 24 divided by 40 times 3. Nope. 24 divided by 8 times, oh wait, is that A then? you had 120 markers, what? You could divide that with, I'm assuming that's 5. What the heck? Oh, okay, I'm doing it. Okay, so you gotta flip that. So it's 40n. Markers divided by students. My bad. A is the correct answer. Okay, 40n. I'm gonna guess it's 15. Oh, wait, probably. One second. 40 times 15 equals divided by 24. Okay, that works. Let's try 12 would surely work, wouldn't it? I don't understand this. Okay, wouldn't all of these? 24 is already. Oof, what the heck? Did 15 work? It did. Okay, I'm assuming 8 also works. What? Oh, never mind. Okay, that's kind of insane. Oh, I guess that's not a multiple of 3. Okay, so the answer is B. This is all flying over your head. I can't help you because we need to stay on a schedule. Points A, B, C, blah, lie on a plane. Oh gosh, oh no. Okay, we're gonna come back to that. Why do they have to put ARC questions? It's so annoying. Jayla plotted the data from her science project as a scatter plot. She found the line containing 2 of the points to be shown. Down the is that increase the slope for sure. Decrease the y-intercept. Increase the slope. If she increased the slope, that'd be like that. That would not work. She has to go like that. So increase the slope and decrease the y-intercept. I think that'd be B. Oh, the probability that A will, oh gosh, here we go. 0.2 for A. The probability that B will occur is 0.6, given that they are mutually exclusive. What is the probability that one or the other will occur? That's 0.8, right? I think. Man, probability is so annoying. I probably should have reviewed, but like, because I think you multiply them when it's and, but you add them when it's or. Alright, given that sine A is that and that A is that, what is the value of okay, so sine inverse of A. I'm in radians, hopefully. Yeah, because pi halves is 1.5-ish. The value of cosine A, so cosine of that. How did I... Man, it's been a while since I've done math. Math frac. 8/17. Let's see. Cool. Calculator clutched out there. There's probably an easier way to do that, but whatever. Gary film, Alfred Hitchcock directed over 60 films. Information about his last 12 films, which is the median of given lengths in minutes before 1972. Before. Jeez. Well, I guess they don't even list the length. Of the 10, yeah, it's 10. Wait, why am I counting this? Okay, it is 10. What is the median of the given lengths? Great. We got 99 at the bottom, 136 at the top, 105, 130, 128, 128, 109. Oh shoot. Let's try this again. Alright, 99, 143, 105, 136. I am dying. 109, 130. This is so bad. I should have just entered them. 128, 119, 128, 120. I'm gonna die soon. Okay, so it's those two. 124. Cool. It's J. Hector owns all the 12. You'll randomly select one. What is the probability of choosing one that only has one word in its title given the family chooses and blah blah. Okay, so after 1965. So within these 4. What is the probability that we'll choose one word? Okay, 50%. That's a stupid question. Actually, we like those. Recently a director was given vertigo that's 20% shorter. What is the length? 20% shorter. What's vertigo? 128. Great. So 102.102. Gee. Oh my gosh, we gotta hurry up. At a Hitchcock film, Lele watched Topaz and Frenzy once each, and Family Plot. What? Okay, once, twice, total of 500. That's a stupid question. Okay, what is the sum of the lengths of Frenzy? Oh, we don't know. Oh, okay, we don't know either. Okay, that's why it's. Okay, so Topaz plus Frenzy plus 2 Family Plot equals 501. Family Plot is 5 minutes longer than Frenzy. What is the sum of lengths in minutes of Frenzy and Family? Oh, what's Topaz? Oh, this is so long. 143. Okay, so we can rewrite this as 143 plus F plus 10 plus 2. Wait. 5 plus 3 FP. 501. Great. 501 minus 147. 48. Divided by 3. Okay, so that is Family Plot 117 and 2/3. Great, and then Family Plot plus 5. Oh gosh. Plus. Is that answer? Ah! Okay, it looks like we did it wrong. Let's do it again. What is Topaz? That's what I put down. Alright, 143 plus Frenzy. 140. Okay, we're gonna call Frenzy X and Family Plot Y. 143 plus X plus 2Y equals 501. X plus 2Y equals 358. Okay, Family Plot is 5 minutes longer. Oh gosh, I wrote this stupid thing wrong. Family Plot is 5 minutes longer than Frenzy. Okay, great, finally. 3x plus 10 equals 358. 348. Cool. Okay, times 2 is that. Wait, what am I doing? Okay, 3 x, y. Okay, 370. Thank you. Okay, we got A. That was forever and a day. Matrices are given. Okay, thank goodness. So I'll just go over here. 4 on the bottom right. And we've got, wait, okay. -6. Great. Keep those coming, please. 2001. Okay. That's a lot of pennies. $50 in pennies per bag. So 10,334. 590,123 times 0.01. So that's how much money in pennies divided by $50 is 222 million. 66,000. Cool. That's A. I will mark that to come back to. Given that the equation 3x minus Alex minus. Oh, okay. So we got x plus y equals 7 and 3x minus y equals 4. So we've got 3x equals 4 plus y, and so then 4 thirds plus y thirds plus y equals 7. So 4 thirds plus 4 thirds y equals 7. 4 thirds y equals 5 2/3 equals, wait, right? Yeah, it's 17 thirds. So 4y equals 17. So y equals 17 over 4. That's annoying. 17 thirds. Yeah, I think that's right. So if that's y, then x is 7 minus y. 7 minus 17 fourths. 17 fourths is 4 1/4. 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 minus 1/4 is 2 3/4. 2 3/4 is 11 fourths. 11 fourths. Let's just check that. Cool. So now we have x over y over 17 fourths. Actually, that's just 11/17, I think. Yeah, okay, so that's h. Took a little bit too long there as well. Vectors, thank you. What general direction will u minus, oh gosh. So when you, okay, v plus w is this, sorry, this, and then u minus v plus w, where's u? Oh, that's u, okay, this is 1 0, let's say, and this is, okay, that's 2 0, and this is 2 1 maybe, u minus that, be down here, down and to the right. That's C. I wish that my linear algebra would have helped me more, but I am bad. Shown below, a board that long is cut into two. Is the length of each part. Great. 2 0, and this is 2 1 maybe. U minus that. Be down here. Down and to the right. That's C. I wish that my linear algebra would have helped me more, but I am bad. Shown below, a board that long is cut into two. Is the length of each part. Great. Okay. Can you see? Wait, what? 5 feet. Oh, nearest inch. 5 feet and 7 inches. Cool. That's G. 5 feet and 7 inches. I think. 10 feet and 14 inches. Wait. 60 plus 8. Wait. Cool. What am I doing? I don't even. I'm looking at H because I feel like I did something wrong. 5 point. Oh gosh, thank goodness I caught that. That's H. H for 34. Phew. Can't imagine how many more we've gotten wrong before this. Okay, we are at 30 minutes and barely past 30 questions, so I'm literally gonna probably not even talk. Linear factors, what's that mean? Oh, I guess. Wait, I still don't know what that means. What are you talking about? Oh my gosh. We're gonna come back to that. great. Which of the following has the greatest value? Oh man, 150. Great. Sorry. It's about y 2 minus 22.5. What? Why is 27 o'clock? Oh. What's the fun? Oh, when she was traveling. She was. This is so unbelievably annoying. Okay. My gosh. Okay, so she only goes. She goes up this high, so that's 270 up. Yeah. Yeah. But it's only gonna be 6. Okay. So it's 45. That's D. Oh, thank you. Okay. F of G of X. Great. A B D A. Oh, they have it. Okay. A D B. A D B. D is a bisector of BAC. BAC. AD is a. Gosh. Okay, what's the measure of ADB? ADB. Okay, what are we gonna do? I don't know how to do this. Oh, we can plug in. Okay, cool. So if we put in, I'm gonna guess 71. 70 plus 71 is that, and then this would be 109. What am I doing? 71. Okay, that is, should be 39. We don't even. I don't know what to do here. Well, it's not obtuse. Alright, we're gonna guess C and move on. Mark it. Given the function below, what is f of 4? Oh, great. -5. Great, -5. You just plug that into the bottom part. Sorry guys, I'm really trying to catch up here. The base length of isosceles trips. What is the ratio of the area of ABCD? Goodness me. Average of the base times the height. Okay, we know this is 10. Okay, if this is H. So the area of the trapezoid would be of the triangle would be 5h. So it's 10 to 1. Cool. At least we got one right. Oh, thank you. 1, no. Oh, so this is 2. No, sorry, 5. 2 to the 4th. Okay, so that's F. Ooh. The figure below, the size of a square arc. Please stop it with the arcs. H has center at A. All the arcs have a radius of 3 feet. What is the area of the shaded region? What? Alright, we're gonna take this 1/4. So what percent of this square is this? Question, Andrew. It is... Oh, okay, we can do this. Yes. 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 Okay. Brings me back to math team. Okay. So the area that is not shaded is just 9 pi. And the area that is shaded is 36 minus 9 pi. Woo! I feel on fire right now. Okay, now we're going to do this. For all real values of x such that that is a thing which isn't... Oh. X is between 0 and pi halves. Which isn't an equation of t. Okay, don't like this at all. Oh, okay, we're gonna graph this. Which the bottom? Okay. Oh, well, I'm assuming that just means that it's not undefined. Okay, we can do this. So 1 over cosine over 1 over sine is sine over 1, sine over cosine, so that's also over cosine. Cosine times cosecant, that's the one. Sine over secant, cool. Sine times secant, okay. I'm getting back my momentum, guys. We can do this, guys. A shirt has a sale price of $30.40, which is how much less than the... Okay, I can do this. So 0.8 times x was 30.40. So divide that. Great. Why did I put in? Gosh. Actually, it doesn't matter. Okay. 38. $7.60. Makes sense, I think. 20% off is a decent amount. I think. Don't have time to check. Who cares? Okay. Num num num. Minute hand that is 4 inches long. The center of the clock face is 10. Oh boy, what are we doing here? Okay. Let x be the time after the clock strikes 3. It's gonna be at its maximum. Wait, what? Oh. Oh. What do you mean? Okay, it seems like it's an hour. That's such terrible wording. Above the bottom. The why be the... Oh, okay. Above the bottom surface. Okay, so there's above here. Okay. We're chilling. So it's a cosine function. I think. So it's one of these. Because it has a maximum, and then it's also a minimum. But it starts at 14. So it starts at 14, and that's our answer. Sorry. Okay, moving along. So, what is this? Solid has 20 congruent faces. Each vertex is shared by 5 faces. Judge, okay. Certain number of dots on the okay. And then the 10 faces are visible. Table gives the number of total number of faces on the die. Okay, so number of faces with 1 is the most. How many edges does this specialty die have? I swear there's a formula for this, and my calculator died and I lost it. Oh, let's just simplify it to a cube. Okay, a cube has 6 faces, and it has 12 edges. Yeah. So maybe it's twice as much. Is 40 an option? No. Gosh, this sucks. Okay. Each edge is shared by 2 faces. Guys, this dude made a formula for the edges, but I forgot it. Or does it have to do with the number of 20 congruent faces? 20 faces. So it wouldn't 20 faces. This has 6 faces. 20 faces. Okay, we're gonna come back to that one. Guys, we are doing terribly right now, but whatever. What is the area in square centimeters of one face of the specialty diagram? The length of. Thank you for giving us something. Okay. Oh gosh, I think it's root 3 over 4 height, so it should be root 3 over 2. So I think that's F. That literally came from calc doing cross-sectional areas. Okay, when the specialty die is rolled, only one face will land on top. Each of the faces has the same probability. Which of the following values is the closest to the probability that the face that lands on top will have 3 dots? Okay, we can do that. Number of dots 3 is 3 out of 20 faces, so that is 0.15. Cool. So that's C. Tom is in Mrs. Zhu's class. To choose 4 students from a class of 24 students, choose 4 cards. Why do you do this? Why do you have to do this? Will not be drawn. So the chance of him not being drawn on the first one. On the first one, it's 23 out of 24. On the second one, it's 22 out of 23. On the third one, it's 21 out of 22. The fourth one is 20 out of 21. I think that's how you're supposed to set it up. Then you add those. This probably isn't going to work. This is where having fast hands comes in handy. I do not enjoy texting, so okay. What? Oh, is that a fraction? Nope. That is awful. Gosh. Without replacing, well, it should just take 4 out. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. I think I'm overthinking it. So it's probably just, or 5, 6. I assume it's just 20, 24ths. It seems to be the trend. So we just overthought that and lost about half a minute, but whatever. Local high school. Why do they have to do so much probability? This, or a stat. Average score on the final exam of 20 students in the first section was 74. The average score on the final exam, 25 students in the second section. What was the average of the final exam scores of students in Algebra 1? Weighted average, I think. So we go 0.74 times 220 plus 0.92 is 25. Please work. That makes literally no sense. 20. Oh, I think we can do that as a fraction. Okay, so 20 plus 25 is 55, 45, 20 divided, okay, whatever. 20 divided by 25 times 74 plus, wait, is it plus? Yeah, plus, what did I do? Oh yeah, 25, why, 45. 25 divided by 45 times 92, 84. Cool, so that's D. Oh, this is all just so much random, why? Table gets some statistics based on the points. What is the mean number of points? Oh gosh. Okay, the range was 11. The maximum was, so she had 3 total scores. The median was 80. Okay, okay. So she had 79, 80, and 90. That seems awfully easy. That's what a median is, right? I think. The range. I mean, I'm just gonna ball out on that. So 79 plus 80 plus 90 divided by 3 is 83. At least it's an option. Hopefully it's right. Okay. Club has 30 members. Position of president, but oh no. Oh no. Number of distinct assignments that can be made. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's just do this with 30. So if we assign 3 of them, we could do this. President, VP, treasurer. One combination, other combination, another combination. One combination, another combination, another combination. So 3 times. No. You fill those up. Okay, I think we can figure this out. So if you fill those up, there's some people left. I think that's E. So what do we do here? This is so bad. What time are we at? Okay, we have 10 minutes left. Oh, we have 10 minutes. Okay, we're guessing E and marking it. If you guys can't already tell, I'm adept at math. Jane and Margaret moved to New City at the same time. Jane has lived there half her life. Well, Margaret has lived there 3/5 of her life. If J represents Jane's present age, which of the this is Jane. Jane's present age. Margaret's. Oh. I don't know. Oh, okay. So if her age is that, half of that, 1/2 J equals 3/5 times Margaret's age. I think that's an equation. So then we just divide that over. That would be 5/6 J H. Guys, there's probably a good way to check that, but yeah, we can't. Okay, so what is it? Why would you? There's no way this works. Yeah. Okay. What is the digit in the ones place? Well, what is 7 to the 13 63rd? What is the digit in the ones place? Okay, what if we do 1.74251498 squared? 3. Okay, that worked. Shown below is a quadrilateral. Oh, why would you do that? The ellipse will be described by that given that AC, what will be the coordinates of A and B? Okay. So the center is at 0, 5. Center is at 0, 5. Forgot what any of that meant. 0, 5. 0, 5. 0, 5. Oh, 0, 5. So it's up 5. So A and B. A would be negative something. Not that much. 5. And this would be 0, oh gosh, I think we guessed our way through that. Alright, so we're just gonna guess J. Great. We are so bad at math. Okay, there are 90 equally spaced dots marked on a circle. I'm not gonna draw that. Choose an integer n beginning at the randomly. Shannon goes around the circle, calls it, blah, blah, blah. He continues. What? Beginning at a randomly chosen dot, Shannon goes around and colors every nth dot. Oh gosh. Okay, she chooses an integer. Okay, so he colors in every dot by going 90. Okay. I'm gonna say 4, 7 maybe. Okay, what if he goes 7? So we colored in the 7th one, and then the 7th one, 7th one. Okay, what's 90 over 7? Great. What's 13 times 7? Great. Okay. So then he would be 1 past. Okay. Okay. So I think that might actually work. Or what? Plus another. Because if he starts there. Okay, maybe not. I'm so thirsty. Oh, what time are we at? 53 minutes. We're gonna go back to that. There are 100 file folders each. Okay, this looks easy. All but one drawer will hold the max. Never mind. There are 104 file folders each. Okay, each that thing. Okay, 7.5 divided by 0.45. 16.6. 50 over 3. Wait, we can round that, right? Come on, man. Come on, man. Alright, so you can fit 16 file folders in each drawer. 16 and 2/3 file folders in each drawer, which is 16. You'll have 2/3 left over. 2/3 left over. And then you do another one, it's another 16 and 2/3. But you have another 2/3. So now you have 17. Or does that even matter? Well, what? Oh my gosh. You can only fit 16 in a drawer. Oh my gosh, dude. We only have 4 minutes. We're skipping that. for all positive x and y, that can be written in which radical form? For all positive what on earth is this? Okay, fine. 12th root of x. Why am I so slow? Okay, why is there 5? Wait, that's wrong. Okay, times 3. Okay, that's J. What do we have for time? We have 3 minutes. The following expression is the sum. Why would you do that? X plus 3 times x minus 3, x plus 6, and x minus 3. We got x plus 3, and we've got x plus 6. We've got x plus 6. We've got x plus 3 times 6, and x plus 6. So 3x plus 6x is 18x. 3x plus 6x is 9x. Plus 3 times 6. Okay, so that's E. Okay, where are we at for time? We have 2 minutes left. I feel like we can get this. Or can we? What should we do? I don't know what to do. Let's go back to that arc one. Or wait, what's number 39? Okay, that was this one. Did we just guess? C? We did. I don't know what to do. Number 19. Yeah, these early ones should be technically easy. Minor arc AE measures 106 degrees. Minor arc BD measures 64 degrees. Measure of DE. Okay, we're just gonna eyeball this. 70. Come on. 190. There's ballparks in 95. I don't even care. 22. We have a minute left. 22. 22, 22, 22, 22, 22. I don't care. We're doing 95. Okay, we have 40 seconds left to guess on the last two. Alright, 5. No, I feel like it's 7. Alright, we're gonna guess B for that. 57 is B. Okay, I don't even understand what this is asking. Okay, we have 20 seconds left. We can do something. We have 2/3 left each time. Yeah, I'd say it's J. Where's J? Pencils down. Goodness gracious, that was hard. Alright, well, you expected just as much from that. Well, props to y'all for hanging in there. If you couldn't see anything, I'm sorry, but there's nothing I could do. This is from ages ago, but, that was, I don't think we left any blank, hopefully. We definitely got some wrong. Not gonna try and sugarcoat that. But hopefully we kept it down to like 5. Yo, look at this. I paused my watch at exactly 1 hour. That's insane. Alright, now I'm happy again. Okay, good job for keeping it in there. I'm gonna take another sip. Sorry, okay, yeah, good job staying in there. I kind of fell silent a lot, and you probably could hear me rapidly punching things in on my calculator. Um, so here's a kind of post-production, not post-production, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. After the thing, here's what I was kind of trying to do. So you saw me writing stuff as I was reading. That kind of just helps. Half the time you'll get the answer based on what you write. Um, what else? Eminem. Yeah, I crossed stuff out here. You can really do whatever. You can like do anything you want to your math test. Just like, I mean, you probably wouldn't want to do that if that wasn't helpful, but you can like do anything you want to do. Some people get scared and they're like, just gotta go do whatever you need to do to cross stuff out and stay focused. I also did a lot of calculator, like this one. There's probably a way to just do this based off of being smart and doing things with side ratios. But all I did was just took the sine inverse and took the cosine of that. Sometimes it's easier to just type things in on your calculator rather than do it like the way they want you to. With that, it's also fun to just plug in answer options. Oh, no, did we leave that blank? 35. Oh, gosh. We left it blank. No. Oh. All right, so we got one wrong. Okay. That was kind of a pitiful attempt on my part, but anyway, what I was saying was plugging things in on plugging in answer options before even trying the question sometimes helps as well. Like, I tried to do that here, but I don't think it really helped. I don't know what else to say. I'm kind of just dreading grading this. But yeah, if I grade this and then get a lot wrong, which I think will be inevitable, I will like talk through what I did wrong. If I even know what I did wrong. Half of this, I don't even know. Did I answered all of... Did I not answer 47 either? No! Oh my gosh. Okay, I didn't answer 2 questions. I should have actually... Okay, so I marked them like that, and some I circled, so I didn't even know which ones were higher priority. That is extremely stupid. Please never do that. What I just did, never do that, please. You gotta answer bubble them in, anything. You gotta get 25% chances better than, or 20% chances better than nothing. Cause, oh, come on, man. That is heartbreaking. Well, I'm gonna go cry now. We could have probably done this with a tetrahedron. I'm just gonna work this out right now because I'm sad. So that has 4 faces. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 edges. So that's 3 halves. So I think the answer would have been 30 for D, or for 47. You know what? I'm just gonna explain this one now. If you can even see this, I'll explain the rest. But this one I kind of realized. So the other thing you can try to do is like they give you a 20-sided thing. Just see if you can get a pattern with something that's smaller. So I tried a cube, but that's not like a similar shape to this. That's like, these are all triangle faces and these are all square faces. So I don't think the same rules really apply. I was trying to find a relationship between face amount, or the number of faces, and the number of edges. So if we drew, this is just a tetrahedron, just a normal triangular pyramid. So a triangle on the base, and I can't draw very well, but you can kind of imagine it's just like a triangular pyramid. So this one had 20 faces, but this one only has 4 faces. Got this front one, this other one, and then the bottom one. These back two, the bottom one and the front one. So that's 4 faces. And then the amount of edges, we have an edge there, and an edge there, and an edge there, and then another 3 for the base. So that is a total of 6 edges. And then if we wanted to write a relationship for that, we would say, if you take your face amount, F, and multiply it by 3 halves, F times 3 halves would equal your edges. If we plugged in 4 here, we would get E equals 6, which is what we have here. So now if we plug in 20 faces, like the icosahedron, 20 times 3 halves is equal to 30. So I think that would be our edge amount to go over here. Okay, so that's just one explanation. I will undoubtedly have to do several more, but how many more, we shall see. Hopefully we can clutch out something. Okay, so I'm gonna grade this. It's not gonna seem like any time has passed for you people, but I'll see you in not that long. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Bye.